we are in Mambajao, Camiguin Island, Philippines, and this is the new Philippine National Bank, the PNB, and it's quite different than the old one. It really is quite different. And the good news, they have two ATMs now, although you can see right there they have a technician working on one of them, and we have a friendly guard there waving. And one of the good things about the way they've done this is they actually have parking for cars, and this whole area is concrete, unlike the way it's often done in the Philippines. They only do their area and nothing else. But this is all concrete now, so it's pretty nice, pretty snazzy compared to the way it was. And it's all glass windows, and I was just in there just now talking to the manager about getting some insurance for the car. So here it is again from a different angle. And this is in the exact same location as it was previously. They just built this bank in the same place that the old bank used to be. And it looks like they're building a Jollibee. So there's going to be a Jollibee here. So Camiguin Island is definitely changing. No two ways about it.